If you want to run an effective leadership, there are things you must avoid, like the way it's happening in different countries like Nigeria and also in Kenya. One, if if this is your first time of coming across my channel, thank God that you are here. And if you are aspiring to be a leader in the future, you should thank me for being here. What I want you to do is follow me from the beginning of this video to the end of this video. You are going to understand the effectiveness of good leadership and what this, which I want to mention now, has as an effect in every leadership or in every country. Let me take taxation. Taxation is one of the things, unnecessary taxation is one of the things that draw every government backward. Because it will have this effect, which people will not like to come and invest in your country. That is, there will be no international business relations. There will be no free international trade routes. Everybody will be running away from you. Check, for instance, early 80s was when Italian was reigning. Italo, we call it Italo. But today, we are now hearing of this is a Turkish. It's a Turkey product. Now we see it as the best. But in the 1980s, Italian is the best. That is Italian products. They are the best. When you hear Italy, it means that it's a good product. But today, what happened? Italy, because they are having the power that they are producing things that everyone is seeing as the best one. Now they have to impose taxation on them, on their products. And the people who are investing and the that are investing in the country, they impose a lot of tax. Do you know what happened? These people who are the people that made Italo what they are today, from different countries, they have to gather together and run to another country. This country I call Turkey. They ran to Turkey. That is why Turkey is reigning till today. So unnecessary taxation is one of the problems every government should have. Kenya, for instance, is developing. They are still developing. But anybody who went to Kenya will not like to go back. Because of what? Unnecessary taxation. If they don't tax you, they don't come to social media and tax you. They will even tax you on the film you will make that you don't even know the place to sell it. They did not create the avenue where you will sell your product and be taxed. They will tax you whether you sell the product or you don't sell it. They don't care. They only tax you. So, coming to see that, it will make many countries and many investors to run away. Like in Kenya also, the taxation is very high. That a foreigner must pay 100,000 Kenya shillings, which is equivalent to 1.something million naira in Nigeria, to have a job that he will be paid 15,000 in a month. Calculate 15,000 times 12. House rent, a small house rent is 10,000. Tell me, if you are a foreigner who came to this country, if you go, will you come back? Unnecessary taxation, it has a lot of effects. So, what am I saying? If we want to develop in Africa, if we want to develop in our countries, we must avoid unnecessary taxation. Like in Nigeria recently, they were giving, the government proclaimed a tax, a cyber tax for internet tax for cyber crime or thereabout. And that tax is an unnecessary tax. Then what happened? People revolted. That tax, if they have heard that tax that it will be effective, many companies will run away from Nigeria. Like now, the bank, if you see the banks in Nigeria now, the interest is higher. Before, interest is around 20%, but now it's going to 30%. What this brings is all about people running away from the country, or people will start defaulting paying tax. So let us learn how to hold ourselves and make our tax accommodable to our people and people that are coming outside if you want your country to develop. So unnecessary taxation is a cankerworm, caterworm, caterpillar and farmer worm that destroys trade routes, that destroys investment, that destroys people coming to your country. I believe all of this is well heard. May God give you the strength to know what to do at the appropriate time in order not to tax people in a wrong way. God bless you. My name is Ambassador Singo Edwin, your prophet in disguise. Till next time.